episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to do a wine review video. This is called One Tree Hill Mulled Wine. This is from a vineyard called Grover Zampa Vineyard, which is in Dodbalapur. So let's taste this wine. So come on along with us. We got this wine last December and we did not get the time to do a review of it. So now we wanted to taste. This wine is around 750 ml and it costs around 650 rupees. Also, there's around 12% alcohol in this wine. And this wine is made with ginger, cardamom, cloves and 11 other spices to make this wine excellent for the winter season. Let's talk about this wine. This wine is made with spices and herbs and it takes its inspiration from Kadha. So you might be wondering, what is Kadha? Kadha is a decoction of various spices and herbs that gives a body immunity for cough and colds. So this wine needs to be consumed during winter season and it should be heated to 40 to 60 degrees before consuming it. Let's talk about Grover Zampa Vineyards. This company was started in 1988 by Conwell Grover, who was in the space and defense procurement industry. He left his job over there to start this winery. This is because of his frequent visits to France, and France is one of the best places that they manufacture best quality wine. In 1982, Conwell Grover invited a person called George Wessels to India, and he's the expert in champagnes. So they bought a land finally in 1992 in Dodbalapur, Bangalore, to make wines. Grover Vineyards merged with a company called Valley de Ville, and together they were called as Grover Zampa. They bought land in Dodbalapur, which is next to Bangalore. Also they bought land or vineyards in Nasik in Maharashtra. This company is the second largest producer of wines, first being Sula Wines. So this is our wine. If you see, it's lovely red in color. Let's swirl it a bit. The smell that comes out of the wine is lovely fruits. That's the smell that comes out of the wine. So let's taste it. A lot of flavors come out of this wine, and also a little oak taste, as well as there is a little smoky taste. It's a lot of flavor. It's a very flavorful wine. It's a really good wine for the winter season. Also, this can be paired with a lot of Indian food. Wine can be had with vindaloo, tandoori chicken or Chinese food. It's a very good combination with this wine. Well, if you liked our video on this wine review, please give us your comments in the comment section below. It will really help us to improve our programming content. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also like and share our video. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Happy weekend.